Hi, this is Jason from SA Shares, and today we are going to be taking a look at XTB. Be sure to like, subscribe, and click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. XTB is a London-based forex and CFD broker that was founded in 2002 with more than 13 international XTB offices around the world. XTB is regulated by the FCA, KNF, CySEC, and the IFSC, so you can rest assured that your funds will always be safe. Your funds are also insured for up to $1 million if your account balance is over $20,000 on average. XTB currently offers one standard trading account, a swap-free account, and a demo account, and both live trading accounts have tight spreads guaranteed and commission-free trading. As an XTB client, you can use the award-winning XStation 5 trading platform on your desktop or on your mobile device, and there are more than 2,000 instruments you can trade on this platform. The XTB website is easy to navigate, with instruments and spreads viewed directly from the homepage. As you scroll down the page, you will find more information about the XStation platform and XTB's distinguishing features. There are also links to recent market news and educational resources at the bottom of the homepage. To find out more about the instruments offered by XTB, simply open the page and click on Trading on the menu bar. You can learn more about forex, commodities, indices, stock CFDs, ETF CFDs, or cryptocurrencies. Alternatively, you can click on the Trading Services tab on the menu bar and select the Range of Markets option to view all the available trading instruments. XTB's proprietary trading application can be used to trade over 4,000 instruments from a variety of asset classes. This application offers a user-friendly design, customizable charts, plenty of professional tools for analysis and risk management, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week customer support, and is available on mobile devices, desktops, and as a web trading platform. With this application, you can easily manage your trading accounts, diversify your investment portfolio, and track real-time price movements with competitive charts. Not only does this application offer an intuitive, beginner-friendly interface, but you will also have access to 24/7 customer support when using XStation 5. And you can use a demo account before investing any real money. XTB also supports the use of the MetaTrader 4 trading application, which comes with a variety of tools for technical and fundamental analysis, plenty of technical indicators, advanced charts, and professional drawing tools. There are customizable trading alerts and much more. The MetaTrader platforms are currently ranked amongst the most popular trading platforms, and using them will greatly enhance your trading experience and improve your chances at succeeding as a forex trader. XTB offers only one live trading account, known as the standard account, and this account is a flexible all-in-one account that is suitable for all types of traders, from beginners to professionals. The XTB standard account can be used to trade forex pairs, commodities, indices, cryptocurrencies, stock CFDs, and ETF CFDs. There are also currently more than 2,000 instruments to choose from. This account offers tight spreads starting at 0.5 pips. Account setup and management is also free, and you don't have to worry about paying commission fees because this is a zero commission account. XTB's standard account uses market execution. It supports automated trading, and you can leverage your trades by up to 500 times your initial investment with this account. If you require a swap-free account for religious reasons, XTB gives their clients the option to use an Islamic account for Muslim clients. This account can be used to trade all instruments except for cryptocurrencies, and it is also a commission-free account with incredibly tight spreads. The XTB Swap Free account also offers a maximum leverage of 1 to 500 and allows the use of automated trading. If you are new to trading or are considering trading with XTB for the first time, you can use the XTB demo account to trade in a risk-free environment. This account can be used for 4 weeks and can be used on both XStation 5 and the MetaTrader 4 trading platform. You will have access to thousands of tradable instruments, 24 hours a day, 5 days a week customer support, and 100,000 worth of virtual funds to practice with. Opening an account with XTB is simple and easy. However, the process may take up to 24 hours, but it usually only takes a few minutes once you've completed the online registration. Firstly, launch the XTB homepage and click on the Create Account button. Enter your email address and select your country of residence. Be sure to choose a strong password for your account, and then complete the online application form. Verify your account and email address, and once your account is approved, you can fund your account and start trading. After your account has been approved, the next step would be to launch the XTB Station platform, or download and install MetaTrader 4 if you prefer. In our case, we went with XStation 5, and as easy as that, we're in. This is the XStation 5 trading platform. At the top left of the dashboard, you have your market watch and buy and sell orders. In the center, you have your graph. You can easily switch between education, market analysis, and their economic calendar at the top of the dashboard. If you are new to trading or have never used the XStation 5 trading platform before, be sure to check out XTB's educational area, which features a variety of platform tutorial videos that cover in-depth beginner topics to help you get started. For beginners, XTB provides an exceptional trading academy that you can use to learn how to trade. You can either view the educational resources by experience level or by subject, and you can also access premium learning content to view from XTB's top-rated professionals. You can use the XTB Trading Academy for an introductory lesson to forex trading, or to learn more about using the platforms they provide. You can also learn more about fundamental analysis, CFD trading, and more. With over 45 topics covered, XTB also provides answers to some of the most commonly asked questions by traders who are learning, and you can contact their customer support team anytime if you need more personalized assistance. XTB also provides a variety of research tools which are available in a variety of languages, charting tools which are user-friendly, and a newsfeed provided by XTB's own research team, and also which was voted the best EMEA FX forecaster by Bloomberg in 2018. The newsfeed is a good tool to receive a mix of recommendations, data releases from the economic calendar, traders' talks, and short messages about current market developments. XTB have received a variety of awards over the past decade, with some of their most prestigious awards being the Best CFD Broker by M&A Global Awards of 2018, the highest-rated FX and CFD Broker of 2018 by the Wealth and Finance Awards, the Best CFD Broker in 2017 by FinTech Awards, and the Best Platform by FX Cuffs in 2017. Overall, XTB's all-in-one trading account is all you will ever need to gain access to thousands of trading instruments, premium quality educational material, and an award-winning platform with competitive trading conditions and incredibly tight spreads. We recommend opening an account with XTB if you are new to trading, or if you are a high-volume trader, but XTB is also a great option for all types of traders. And if you're keen to try a new platform, then XStation 5 comes with plenty of innovative tools, features, and indicators to improve your trading experience. Not only does XTB have over 400,000 clients worldwide and several awards, but they are also regulated by top-tier agencies and have a positive rating on Trustpilot. which are all signs of a trustworthy broker. And that is our overview of XTB. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with SA Shares now, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.